HD Interiors fans. Welcome back to your channel, HD Interiors, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home design. Buckle up, because today we're exploring the most thrilling interior design trends for 2025. From eco-friendly innovations to jaw-dropping statement pieces, these trends are set to revolutionize your living spaces. Get ready to discover how sustainability, smart technology, and vibrant colors can transform your home into a stunning sanctuary. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this exciting journey through the future of interior design. In 2025, sustainability continues to be a game-changer in interior design. This trend emphasizes the use of eco-friendly materials and practices that benefit both the environment and your home. Think recycled and upcycled materials, such as reclaimed wood and recycled glass, which not only reduce waste but also add unique character to your space. Energy-efficient appliances and fixtures are becoming standard, offering both cost savings and a smaller carbon footprint. Additionally, green certifications and sustainable design principles are making their way into mainstream design, ensuring that every choice contributes to a healthier planet. Embrace sustainability in your home to create a space that's as responsible as it is beautiful. Textured materials are making a huge splash in 2025, adding depth and interest to interior spaces. Imagine walking into a room where every surface invites you to touch and explore. Velvet upholstery on sofas feels luxurious and soft, while textured wallpapers can turn an ordinary wall into a captivating focal point. Woven rugs and patterned textiles add layers of visual and tactile appeal, creating a rich, inviting atmosphere. This trend is all about creating a multi-sensory experience that goes beyond just visual aesthetics. By incorporating different textures, you can transform any room into a cozy, dynamic environment that feels as good as it looks. In 2025, statement ceilings are set to become a standout feature in home design. Instead of just being an overlooked surface, ceilings are now emerging as a canvas for bold, creative expressions. Picture a room where the ceiling is painted in a striking color or adorned with intricate patterns and textures. Exposed beams and architectural details can add a rustic charm or modern edge, depending on your style. Whether it's a dramatic wallpaper, a statement light fixture, or even artistic paint techniques, the ceiling is becoming a focal point that adds personality and flair to any room. Embrace this trend to elevate your space and make a lasting impression from above. Maximalism is making a vibrant comeback in 2025, embracing a more is more philosophy. This trend is all about layering bold patterns, rich colors, and eclectic decor to create a space that's both visually stimulating and deeply personal. Imagine a room filled with a mix of vibrant textiles, ornate rugs, and a gallery wall of diverse art pieces. It's about celebrating the beauty of variety and finding joy in the unexpected combinations. Maximalism allows you to express your personality and interests through your decor, making each space uniquely your own. If you love a bit of chaos in your design, this trend invites you to go big and bold with every element in your home. In 2025, global influences are enriching interior design with diverse cultural touches. This trend invites you to infuse your home with elements from around the world, creating a unique, cosmopolitan atmosphere. Think of Moroccan rugs adding warmth and pattern to your floors, Japanese minimalism bringing a sense of calm and simplicity, or Scandinavian design contributing functional elegance. These global influences blend seamlessly with modern interiors, offering a way to celebrate different cultures and their design aesthetics. By incorporating international pieces and styles, you can create a home that's not only stylish but also a reflection of a world of diverse inspirations. Retro touches are making a stylish comeback in 2025, blending nostalgic charm with contemporary flair. Imagine infusing your home with mid-century modern furniture, featuring clean lines and vibrant colors, or adding classic vintage accessories that evoke a sense of timeless elegance. Retro design elements, like geometric patterns, bold prints, and antique finishes, create a dynamic contrast with modern decor. This trend allows you to celebrate the best of past decades while making it fresh and relevant for today's interiors. By incorporating these retro touches, you can create a space that feels both nostalgic and excitingly new. Biophilic design is a powerful trend in 2025, prioritizing a deeper connection between people and nature by integrating natural elements into indoor spaces. This approach isn't just about adding a few plants, it's about creating an environment that mirrors the outdoors and enhances well-being. Imagine large windows that flood your home with natural light, creating a feeling of openness. Living walls, where greenery grows vertically, bring life and texture to any room while also improving air quality. Materials like stone, wood, and natural fibers such as linen or cotton play a central role, grounding the space in organic textures. Water features, like indoor fountains or aquariums, offer a soothing soundscape that mimics the tranquility of natural surroundings. Even the layout of a home can reflect biophilic principles by promoting airflow, creating an indoor-outdoor flow, and incorporating views of greenery. This trend is more than a style, it's a lifestyle, focused on reducing stress and fostering a sense of calm, all while encouraging sustainable design practices. By embracing biophilic design, your home becomes a sanctuary where you can reconnect with nature, even in the heart of the city. Color trends in 2025 bring an exciting balance between bold statements and serene backdrops, allowing for diverse expressions of personal style. Earthy tones like terracotta, sage green, and warm beige are setting the stage, grounding spaces in nature-inspired warmth. These colors work beautifully in living rooms and bedrooms, creating a soothing, relaxed atmosphere. Paired with natural materials like wood or stone, these tones evoke a feeling of timelessness and comfort. On the other end of the spectrum, bold jewel tones, such as deep emerald, rich sapphire, and vibrant amethyst, are making a big splash. These saturated hues are perfect for making a statement in accent walls, furniture, or even kitchen cabinetry. They bring drama and sophistication to any space, making rooms feel more luxurious and dynamic. Pastels like soft blush pink, mint green, and powder blue also continue to be popular, especially in areas where you want a lighter, airy feel. These colors are great for creating a calming environment without being too bold. The overarching theme of 2025's color trends is the balance between calm, natural tones and vibrant, rich colors, offering endless possibilities for personalization. Whether you opt for the grounded warmth of earthy tones or the striking elegance of jewel colors, these trends will help you create a home that's both stylish and reflective of your personality. Soft Minimalist design is taking a more inviting turn in 2025, blending the simplicity of minimalism with a warm, cozy feel. This trend focuses on creating serene spaces that are uncluttered yet comforting. Picture neutral color palettes with soft, plush textures, think wool throws, fluffy rugs, and smooth, matte finishes. The goal is to achieve a balanced, soothing environment that feels both spacious and welcoming. By incorporating gentle, understated elements and focusing on quality over quantity, Soft Minimalism offers a modern approach to creating a calm, harmonious home that's easy on the eyes and the soul. Smart home integration is revolutionizing interior design in 2025, blending technology seamlessly with everyday living. This trend focuses on incorporating cutting-edge gadgets and systems that enhance convenience and efficiency. Imagine controlling your lighting, heating, and security systems all from your smartphone or voice commands. Advanced features like smart thermostats adjust temperatures for optimal comfort and energy savings, while automated lighting can be set to change with the time of day or mood. Integrating these smart solutions into your home not only adds a layer of modern sophistication but also streamlines daily routines, making your living space more functional and enjoyable. In 2025, functionality in interior design goes beyond mere aesthetics. It's about making every space in your home work harder and smarter for you. This trend focuses on creating rooms that are not only beautiful but also highly practical and efficient. Multifunctional furniture is at the heart of this movement, where pieces like sofas with hidden storage, fold-out desks, or modular shelving units allow spaces to adapt to different needs. For smaller homes or apartments, this trend is especially beneficial, turning compact spaces into efficient, versatile environments. Smart home technology plays a crucial role in enhancing functionality. From voice-activated systems that control lighting, security, and appliances, to smart kitchen gadgets that streamline cooking, technology is seamlessly integrated into the design to make everyday tasks more manageable. Hidden storage solutions, like built-in cabinetry that maximizes space, and sleek, minimalist designs help to keep the home clutter-free while ensuring everything has its place. This trend also focuses on ergonomic design, ensuring that furniture and layouts are comfortable and easy to navigate, providing both style and substance. The overall goal of the functionality trend is to create homes that effortlessly support your lifestyle, where every element is thoughtfully designed to serve a purpose. Interactive walls are pushing the boundaries of design in 2025, transforming static surfaces into dynamic, multifunctional features. These walls are no longer just a backdrop, they are integrated with technology and creativity to enhance how we live and interact with our spaces. One of the most exciting aspects of this trend is the introduction of smart walls that can change their appearance or function with a simple touch. For example, projection systems can turn an entire wall into a display screen for movies, video calls, or even art, offering an immersive experience right in your living room. Writable surfaces, like chalkboard or whiteboard walls, are also popular in kitchens, offices, or children's rooms, allowing for notes, reminders, or even artistic expression. These walls can be both playful and practical, adapting to the needs of different members of the household. In tech-driven homes, touch-sensitive panels integrated into walls let you control lighting, temperature, and entertainment systems with a swipe of your hand, blending design with cutting-edge functionality. Beyond tech, interactive walls can also include textured surfaces or modular panels that can be rearranged to change the look and feel of a room. Think of panels that can switch between acoustic features for better sound insulation or textured patterns that create an engaging, tactile experience. The beauty of interactive walls lies in their ability to evolve, offering endless customization options to suit your daily life and creative vision, making them an integral part of the home's overall design. Curved furniture is making a stylish return in 2025, bringing a fresh, inviting touch to interior design. This trend emphasizes the beauty and comfort of rounded shapes, which contrast beautifully with the straight lines of traditional furniture. Think of sofas with gently curved backs that invite you to relax, or coffee tables with smooth, flowing forms that soften the look of a room. Curved furniture not only adds visual interest but also creates a more welcoming and cozy atmosphere. It's perfect for creating a space that feels both elegant and comfortable, where every piece invites you to unwind and enjoy. And there you have it, our top interior design trends for 2025. From the eco-friendly focus of sustainability to the interactive charm of smart home technology, these trends are set to redefine how we experience our living spaces. Whether you're drawn to the bold aesthetics of maximalism or the serene simplicity of soft minimalism, there's something for every style and preference. Remember, integrating these trends into your home can not only elevate its look but also enhance your everyday living. If you enjoyed this overview, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to HD Interiors for more design inspiration and tips. Drop a comment below with your favorite trend or any ideas you'd like to see in future videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.